Today I'm going to show you how to tie a monkey fist, just like this one right here. First step is get yourself about 5 to 6 feet worth of rope. Next step, just take your rope, and just tie one end off. Have it tight as you can, like that. Next, you're going to take your rope, hold it in your hand just like this, okay? We're going to do one wrap, 2 wraps, and then 2.5, like this, okay? Next, you're going to take your fingers and you're going to point them to the sky. You're going to take your loose end and you're going to wrap it underneath the existing wraps you have without mixing them up, okay? Everything needs to be clean. That's your next step. Just wrap that one under there. Real easy. Now you're going to lay your hand flat again. You're going to take this and you're going to bring it through right here, just like that, okay? You're going to take these 2 fingers and you're going to take it out. You're going to take them out while holding it, just like that, okay? Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this line, okay, and we're going to wrap it 1, 2 times, okay? So it doesn't have to be tight, it just has to be once, pinch it, twice, pinch it. Next, you're going to take your tag end and you're going to run it up through this hole and under these 3 lines, okay? So up through here and under here. We're going to take it, run it up through here, push it under there, just like that. So next what we got to do is wrap these 3 lines and then wrap the 3 bottom lines. So we're taking our tag end, we're going to put it down through this hole, underneath, and up through here. We do that once, twice, and back down again. So we're down through, and the wraps need to be from right to left. Take it, run it up through this hole here. That's 1. That's 2. And just back down one more time. There you have it. Okay. We're just about ready to cinch this up. So we're going to take our knot and we're going to put it in the middle. Just going to lay it right there. So our knot is our first line that we're going to start to pull on, okay? So we're going to start to pull that through. Okay? Push your one end up. Oh, here. And just do it nice and soft, okay? You don't have to get it tight the first try. Just make sure all the lines come together. This end. So that was one pass. Starting to take shape, right? Now we'll find our initial knot again. It's right here, you can see it. We'll start with that one again. Just give it a little pull it tighter, push. You pretty much do this until that knot is tight. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this lesson helped today. This one took me about 4 passes to make. In my experience so far, the bigger the rope, the easier it is.